Hi, my name is Ed. In this video, we are going to compare a typical web server and also a web server that is using a micro DNS. In here, you will have, in your left side, you will see the typical web server that uses IP address that can be sent into a computer as the main address of your web server. So in here, you will see that the code is using two libraries, namely ESP8266 Wi-Fi and ESP8266 Wi-Fi Multi. The second one is the library that you can declare a class named Wi-Fi Multi, which enables you to create line of codes that defines the different access point or Wi-Fi that you have in your office or in your home, and if it can detect either of them, it will connect. The device will connect into that Wi-Fi. And then you have here the typical lines of code like the zero print, and you have here the some if conditions if the Wi-Fi will switch to a different Wi-Fi, stronger Wi-Fi, and the remaining lines are what you expect on a web server. On your right, you will have the same code, but it uses a micro DNS library. So you will see that it adds the third library, namely ESP8266 mDNS library. So let's highlight this line for just a clear comparison between the left and the right code. And the remaining lines, they're all the same, until at the bottom, the same as what you can see on your left. Then the code lines under void setup, they're all the same, if you can see that, but the difference is somewhere here. This codes, specifically the mDNS that begins, allows you to change the name or the IP address into ESP8266.local.